everyone, my name is Gina and I would like to officially welcome you to Seasoned Beauties. If this is your first time visiting with us on today, thank you so much for stopping by and checking us out. If you are returning, thank you so much. Your girl really does appreciate it. Either way, if you are currently not subscribed to Seasoned Beauties, go ahead and hit that subscribe button below. Become a part of the family. We'd be more than happy to have you, and there's more than enough room on this family tree just for you. Now, our video on today, we're going to be unboxing the first of the new BOXYCHARM. Okay, now this is the new bigger box, and my understanding is there are some complexion samples in here so that we can try them out, so we'll be prepared when January rolls around and they do the very first complexion product in our box. Okay, let's just jump right in and see what's in this box. And as we open it, for those of you who are not familiar with the new and improved BOXYCHARM, there are now 3 different types of boxes. We have our main BOXYCHARM box, then we have the ultimate, and then of course the every 3-month box, which is our BOXYLUXE. And guess what, we got one coming up next month. A couple weeks from now we'll be opening that. Okay, so we're going to jump right into the box. Now our boxes are now red on the inside. Still has our information with regards to our hashtag BOXYCHARM for those of you who wish to check it out on Instagram. Now, with this one, the price has increased to $25 per month. We still get the same 5 full-size products, which I'm very ecstatic about, and can't wait to see what's in here. One item I definitely know about, and that one is because I chose it. So let's go ahead and get started. The very first thing on the top is our description card, and this says BOXYCHARM Stella. Okay, I love the colors. And the very first item that we have happens to be the one that I chose, and that is the Juice Beauty Stem Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Eye Treatment. Okay, now I did, as a matter of fact, the very first BOXYLUXE that we got, I got a Juice Beauty product. Okay, now look at the packaging. How about that? Nice and sleek. And this is one of the reasons why I chose the product. Other than the details, you know, about it, I love the applicator. Okay? See, and it's going to fit very nicely under the eye. So let's just find out some details about it. A proprietary blend of fruit stem cells and vitamin C infused into organic antioxidant-rich botanical juices work to reduce the appearance of fine lines around the eyes and minimize the appearance of dark circles. Now, one of these days I'm going to build up the courage to tell you what actually happened to my next month. Is my birthday month. I think I'll share it with you then. But I had some challenges with my skin, which is what caused me to start my YouTube channel in the first place, because I needed some help, and I checked all over YouTube only to find no one that was going through what I went through. So more about that in an upcoming video. So I am excited to use Juice Beauty Eye Treatment, and the manufacturer suggested retail price for this product is $50. Okay, now The next item that we have is by Dominique Cosmetics. You know what? I just realized I just did my Ipsy, and this is the first time in probably ever that I didn't receive a palette. Come through for me, BOXYCHARM. Come through. Okay, this is the Celestial Thunder palette. The outer packaging is gorgeous. It has a wonderful size mirror, but oh, come on with it. Look at these shades. Look at that. Whew. Okay, let's check out some details. Okay, this says, Celestial Thunder is an explosion of vivid pigments, shadows, and glittery foils with 8 uniquely formulated shades for a creative, colorful eye look, or a simple pop of electric color. The vibrant made shades tell a cosmic story and bring the universe to life. And the manufacturer suggested retail price of this palette is $35. And I'm feeling this one right here. I'm going to go ahead and swatch a couple. Here are what these shades look like. And what I've swatched is Storm Dust, Black Matter, and Mystic Ice. Okay, and here what those shades look like on the back of my hand. Okay, and the next item that we have is by the company Dose of Colors. Okay, and our description card says our liquid matte lipstick has a velvety high fashion matte finish which envelopes lips in rich long wearing color. It applies as a creamy liquid, but after a few minutes it dries to an ultra comfortable matte finish. And the manufacturer suggested retail price of this one is $18. Now the shade that I have is Flirty. Now this packaging is bomb. Look at that. This is the very first Dose of Colors lipstick that I have ever had. That's a pretty color. Okay. Alrighty, and moving right along, our next item happens to be a pair, and that's this right here, which is by Pop Band. Okay, and it says Starry Eyes Pop Masks, set of 2. All right, and our description card says these self-heating pop masks will encourage circulation around the eye area and aid in depuffing and relaxing. You may find that they can help ease migraine, soothe dry eyes, and support restful sleep. Once the pouch is open, the eye masks will start to gently warm. Pop the loops around your ears. Sit back and relax. Now, the manufacturer suggested retail price of the 2 is $10. I have to tell you, I'm like really excited to try these. And I think the day that I try them, I'll try them on with you. The next item is the BOXYCHARM 2-piece brush set, and it says create your favorite looks in total luxury with our first ever BOXYCHARM branded brush set. Okay. I love the pouch that they came. Oh, yes. Okay. Oh. Look at this. First of all, they are not flimsy. Not flimsy at all. So that's where we're going to start. Now, this says the large multi-purpose powder brush is perfect for liquids, creams, powders, or mineral products. Okay, I don't know why they called it a powder brush, but it says it's good for all of those. Okay, and the foundation brush has an oval base. That would be this one right here. And it says it helps with precise foundation placement and seamless blending. These ultra soft brushes are handcrafted, synthetic, and cruelty free. Okay, and the manufacturer suggested retail price for the two is $35. Okay. This stellar box has truly been stellar. I'm just saying. I'm loving it. I am loving it. Now, I did tell you at the beginning of this video that there was a sample included here. Now, they were pretty good. I guess I answered my questions well in my questionnaire to get shades that look like this, which are very, very close to what I would be wearing when I apply my concealer. Alright, this is by Pretty Vulgar, and this is Undercover Lightweight Concealer. Little Warm Lies is this one. That's considered fair. Tiptoe Over the Line, which is considered light to medium, and that's this one here. The Middle Ground is considered medium, and that's this one here. And Midnight Mystique, which is considered to be rich, and it's this one right here. So we'll be trying these really soon, and I'll let you know what I think. Let me ask you to do a favor for me. In the comment section, let me know if you did receive a sample of either concealer or foundation, and how close to your color match did they get. Okay, well, that is everything from our November Stellar BOXYCHARM box. I must admit I did enjoy the first box in the new series. I am excited about this. This was such a good start that they were off to. So, I do hope that I have presented you with a very enlightening video. Okay? If I missed a question or a concern that you had, or you just want to leave a comment, by all means, do so below. Share the video. And remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.